Vuljanić pour la GUE. Monsieur Vuljanić, vous avez 2 minutes 30.
Thank you, Madam President. I would first like to thank everybody who has helped in constructing this document, primarily the people in the Secretariat of APE, the people in the Secretariat of my group, my assistants, and all the colleagues who have contributed to this form of the resolution. The resolution was supposed to come to the plenary in January. I insisted it to be brought earlier because of 2 reasons. One is to help the country and the other is to help the Parliament. I think the Parliament should have a strong stand on such an issue, such an important issue as enlargement is, and then the Commission is to, the Council is to decide. It's on the Council to decide, but the Parliament should have a strong stand. It seems that it has worked here in the Parliament. The initial draft was primarily the result of a good starting point given to me by the Commission and the report of the Commission on the progress of Albania. Then, by the visits, my visits to Albania and the talks I had with the officials there and with some ordinary people whom I succeeded in meeting. And finally, just personally, by my knowing the mentality of the people and by my knowledge of the history of the Balkans. The result is was a positive draft report. Numerous amendments came, some 122, and 21 compromise amendments, which made text, I hope, more readable and more acceptable to everybody. The resolution stresses primarily the achievements the country has done in the period, what has happened for a year, but also stresses and points out to various problems and issues that should be solved in the future. They include political, social, economic, environmental protection and numerous other issues. It should be clearly said that the point is not in Albania becoming the member in some quite foreseeable future. It is candidacy status, and candidacy status means putting the country under more closer scrutiny, under stronger microscope. I think the country deserves it, and I'm completely sure they can overcome, with the support they have, they can overcome all the obstacles standing in their way. The importance of Albania as a country in Europe shouldn't be and needn't be repeated. Just to say once again, it is the youngest nation in Europe, and we are not so rich in young people in the rest of the continent. Okay. I suppose it will be supported on Thursday. Thank you.
Merci, Monsieur Vuljanić. La parole est à Madame Pack.
Frau Präsidentin, lieber Herr Kommissar, lieber Herr Ratspräsident! Seit mehr als 22 Jahren bin ich in Albanien mehr oder minder tätig. Ich habe die Entwicklung dort verfolgt und ich bin froh, dass nach so langer Zeit dieses Land, das der Hochsicherheitstrakt des